Hello and welcome to another episode of Necessities to Life. I'm just going to go back to a previous video that I did on installing concrete spurs or repair spurs, but basically I've just come kind of across a job that I'm doing here, and it's a perfect example to show you how not to concrete a post in. Basically here we've got a post that's leaning, it's broken off the bottom as they normally do. However, digging it out, it's given me the perfect example to show you how not to post in your new post. So I'm just going to show you down here. As you can see, this is the concrete here. They have got relatively good depth, but they haven't gone to the full depth that I'd like. I haven't finished digging down yet, so it may go down a bit further. But I'm hoping you can see this. So as you can see, this concrete here is quite wide at the top, and as you can see, as it goes further down, it channels in on an angle. So basically it's going in on an angle like this. It's a bit difficult to show you. I'm hoping you can see. I'll tell you, if I put that in alongside the concrete, there you go. If I put that in there, along there, you can see the angle that the concrete goes in towards the bottom. Now again, that's not the way ever to use to concrete a post in, whether it's a new one or a spur. You always need to make sure that it's channeled straight down vertically. This is, in my personal opinion, the only way to concrete a post in. So again, sorry, I haven't got my phone holder with me here today, so I'll just try and show you. There we go. So basically, again, you need to dig your post. You want it to go straight down. The concrete needs to go straight down, not at an angle like that, because that's eventually it will just go and give out, because it's just going to be weak and weaker. Luckily here the ground's actually quite solid, and there's quite a few sort of stones and rocks in it as I'm digging down, so it's not too bad. But again, as you're digging them, you want the hole to go straight down, nice and square all the way down, roughly about that distance, which is probably about just less than a foot, I think. Basically that's spade width, just over a spade width, normal standard spade width. Dig your hole 2 foot down to the bottom, nice and straight either side, never on an angle like that or like that, but like that, straight down. And that is the way you put in a concrete, you do your concreting for your new post. Whether you're going straight in with wood, which I don't recommend, always if you can, use a concrete spur to put your new fence off. That way it keeps all the wood elevated off the ground, and it'll stop the damp getting into it. But yes, another episode for Necessity of Life, perfect example to show you. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, whatever you like. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, not on Twitter yet, but not sure I will be. But yeah, thank you very much.